Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Waffles Commercial. Start by writing a tight script and shot list that highlights texture and sizzle, then source consistent batter and props, schedule baking tests, and assemble a small crew for camera, sound, and food styling. Move fast on set to capture crisp steam and golden color, and keep notes for repeatable results during editing and final color grading. Capture the waffle process with deliberate, clean shots that sell taste and texture. Film batter pours, griddle sizzle, and close waffles with a macro lens, using 60 FPS for slow motion where droplets or steam appear cinematic. Keep camera movements minimal and use a slider for smooth reveals. Light softly from one side and add a back rim to make edges pop, ensuring consistent white balance across takes for each. Make the waffles look irresistible by styling with glossy syrup, a melting pat of butter, and carefully placed berries or powdered sugar. Layer Foley recordings, close sizzle, syrup pour, and a crisp fork bite to sell texture in the mix. Keep garnishes minimal and avoid covering the waffle grid, and do multiple takes with slightly different angles to choose the best mouth-watering frame during edit and sound design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.